One of the challenges with Facebook is knowing when a reel was posted on Facebook. I can look at this reel here from George Catalan Pescara, and there's nothing in here. There's no information in here that tells me when this reel was posted, which is sometimes pretty frustrating. But there is a way to figure this out. Now, what you need to do, and it's a little harder to do on mobile than it is on desktop, is you need to copy some of this text down here. I'm going to use the word longitudinal, Longitudinal. You need those words down there. I'm not going to be able to copy it. I'm going to remember longitudinal. Next thing, go to the page. Once you're on the page, hit the three dots and do search. Now I can type in Longitudinal, longitudinal. It's going to search George Caitlin's post, photos, and tags for that word, and I'm going to hit search. Now there's two results. There's this one right here, and then this one right here, which is the one I was looking for. And now, because this reel is in a post, by the way, this only works if the user left the reel in a post. If they posted the reel and then deleted the post but left the reel existing, this won't work. But if they posted the reel and left the post there it is right there, September 25th, George Catalan Pascara posted this reel on Facebook. Let's go do one more, show you what I did. Let's go get another one.
Guys.
Tracy Lucas, old school. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Tracy Lucas. I'm gonna hit the three dots. I'm gonna hit search. I'm gonna type in old, SCHOOL, and hit enter. And there it is right there. Old School was posted on August 28th with this reel. And again, this works well as long as the page or the individual posted the reel to Facebook and did not delete the post but left the reel. I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risks and fears of technology, and I hope this little trick of figuring out when a reel was posted is helpful for you.